Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to sell your artwork on Etsy. I have about 3 Etsy shops in which I sell my original paintings, and I will show you in this video step by step process of how to list your art on Etsy, how to do the title, how to do the tags and everything from start to finish. So if you'd like to subscribe to my video, I enjoy making art demos and tutorials every single day, and I would like to share my art techniques with my friends. So please feel free to subscribe if you enjoy making art. So let's get started with how to list on Etsy. This is my Etsy shop that I sell my original paintings, and the name of the shop is called Large Art Original, and I have about 187 sales so far, and I started this in 2017, and since then I have been selling my artwork on Etsy. As you can see, there are different sections for each different type of art, and I'll list them in different sections, so it is easy for shoppers to just go to that section and buy the art that they like. And this is my second shop. It is called Kitty Clip Art and Print, and in this I have 304 sales, and I sell digital downloads and other digital items, and the users can just pay and download my art and just get it printed at home or at their local print shop. And the third shop that I have on Etsy is the Modern Fine Artist, and in this I make original abstract painting, and I have 7 sales in this shop, and I usually make figure drawings in this shop, all abstract. So you feel free to visit my links in the description box below. I have the links to the 3 shops. First I make a painting, and today I made a painting of a blue tree and in an abstract background, which I'm going to upload in Etsy. The first step is to go to create a new listing. There is a link in the Etsy shop. Usually in the top right corner you can see create a new listing. The first step is to upload a beautiful photo. You have to have a clear high resolution photo as the main photo which you have to upload, and then the second photo I just uploaded the mock-up of how it would look on a wall. There are about 10 photos that you can upload. The more photos the better, so the buyers can see how the painting looks like in different scenarios. The first step is to create a title. For this you need to come up with an SEO friendly title. That means the title should be good for search engine optimization. That means that you need to go to etsy.com and just try different words to see what words people will be using to search a painting like yours. So this is my abstract tree painting, so I'm just looking for abstract tree painting, and these are the results similar to my painting that came up, so I'm going to use that word as the first word in this title, abstract tree painting. And the next word I'm going to be searching something else that people may look for in my painting. That means tree painting on canvas original. That is also a good word to use, because I make paintings on canvas, so people may be searching for canvas paintings. So I'm just copy pasting the word from there, and I keep on trying different options like that. Another word that I could use is black and white and blue painting on canvas. I'm going to select that one too. And another one is blue painting on canvas. I think I went over the character limit. There is a limit in Etsy title on how many characters you can use. So if you go over the limit, I just delete the last few words and then make up the title. So this is a good title that we came up with for this painting that I made. And the next section is about the painting, that is who made it. There is a drop down and I selected I made the painting. And the second is the finished product or not. I selected finished product. And the third option is when did you make it. I made it recently, so I'm selecting 2020, the year in which I made the painting. And the category, you can select the suitable category. I selected acrylic painting. If you type in acrylic, it automatically populates, so I selected that category, acrylic painting in art and collectibles. And the primary color I did blue, and secondary color I did black, and the subject we can choose up to 3. So I selected landscape, and I did plants and trees, and those are the subjects I think I will stick with. And also flowers, maybe this comes under the category of flowers too, so that's why I chose that. And the painting style, impressionist, because I made it with palette knife and I chose impressionist. And then the home style will be contemporary, and the surface is on stretched canvas, and this is a horizontal painting, so I selected horizontal. And you need to fill in the height, width, and the depth of the painting, which I did. I made this in 36 by 48 canvas, so I'm selecting those dimensions in inches. And you can select up to 5 rooms in which you can hang the painting. I selected 5. If you have the occasion, you can choose the occasion, but I don't have any, so I didn't list the occasion. And in the description, the most important part is you have to use the almost the similar words as you used in the title. For your listing to be found, it's better to be using the same or similar words, so in the description, title, and tags. So I'm writing a description that this is an abstract painting of trees. Description is what sells to the customer, so make it as attractive as possible depending on what your product is and how you made it and everything. I am saying that this is an original artwork and it's handmade and hand painted, because many people are selling prints also on Etsy, so we have to stress that this is a handmade and original painting. Some people are more interested in original than they buying prints. I also that for a look into the link of the Etsy shop. If they want to shop more for my paintings, they can view the links. So that's why I put out the links of all the Etsy shops that I have. And in the detail section, I am letting them know that this is made on a stretched canvas and it's ready to hang as soon as they receive it. So they don't need to spend additional money on framing or anything like that. So, and in this section, the buyers can request customization. For example, if they want red tree instead of blue, they can request that. If you click on the button that says buyers can request customization. And for the tags, the most important part is you need to use the exact or similar words that you used in the title and the description. So basic idea of the search engine optimization is that the title, tags and description, everything should convey the same thing. So the search engine can easily locate your painting if somebody is searching for those words that you have in title, tags and description. So we have space for 13 tags, so we will make 13 tags, and we have a character limit also. So if it goes over the character limit, just split it into two. Make sure to use all the tags in that Etsy listing, because tags is the one that gets you found when somebody is searching for that item. I have been making pretty decent money on Etsy since 2017. So I think Etsy works if you really put in hard work and make high quality paintings. Etsy is a good site for selling artwork. And in the material section, I put stretched canvas. You can put any materials that you use to make the painting. And I put acrylic paint and stretched canvas. You can also add varnish, anything that you use for the artwork. And price, it's up to you. I put 400 for this large painting because it's 3 feet by 4 feet. So I thought 400 is worth it. And this personalization button, if you click it on, the buyers can request personalization. And the variations is because if you have different sizes or any variations, you could use that option. I didn't choose any. And in the personalization section, I chose it on, I think. And here you can enter the size, weight, height and everything, all the dimensions of your artwork. I think we are almost done. And this is an option to marketing. If you choose to advertise, you can choose that. Otherwise, you can go ahead and publish. Now, now my artwork is ready for sale. If you click publish, yay! My artwork is listed for sale. This is the first one that you see. It's a beautiful tree painting. It looks very attractive, and I would add more photos, but I didn't have much, so I just added 2. Otherwise, you could use all the 10 photos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and If you enjoy watching, please subscribe to my channel and hope to see you again. Bye.